Hello class, and welcome to another video lesson. In this video, our learning goal is to understand the term elements. But before that, we'll have to go through what atoms are. You'll like to think of atoms like pieces of Lego. As you can see in my diagram, I have different coloured Lego pieces. Every substance in the universe is made up of building blocks known as atoms. There are about 100 types of atoms, but they can be arranged in different combinations to create countless types of different substances. So if you can imagine those Lego blocks, you can see I have 3 different colours, and you can see I've got multiple combinations there. And there are probably some that you can probably see yourself. Okay, let's get on to elements now. Elements are substances that are made up of just one type of atom. Each element has a unique set of characteristics that scientists refer to as properties. And elements can be classified as metallic or non-metallic. In the diagram I have here, this is actually copper. You can see in this diagram that all these atoms are the same. Let's take a closer look at metals now. Metals, as you probably know, they tend to be shiny. They are solid at room temperature, except for mercury. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. It still conducts heat and electricity, and that's the reason why it has been used in those old-fashioned thermometers. All metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. They can be bent and hammered into big sheets, so scientists use the word malleable to describe this. They can also be stretched into wires, and scientists call that ductile. And now we'll get on to non-metals. Non-metals tend to be dull. Think of some carbon, and you've probably used carbon in art class when you've used charcoal. It's pretty dull. Non-metals do not conduct heat or electricity, and they break or crumble when you bend them, and scientists call that being brittle. Metals, as you have seen, mostly are solids, except for mercury, which is a liquid. Non-metals, however, can be solids, or they can be gases like chlorine or iodine. Alright, let's get on to naming these elements. There are about 118 known elements, and only 91 of these are actually naturally occurring. That means that we can find them on the Earth. The rest of them, they actually have been made in a laboratory. Each element has a name and a chemical symbol. And scientists display all the known elements and their symbols in the periodic table. So let's have a look at that now. Here you see our periodic table. It numbers all our elements. So you can see hydrogen has a 1, helium has a 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, and so on. In this particular periodic table, they have actually coloured in the metals with this yellow colour. So all of these with yellow are metal. And they've coloured the non-metals with the blue. So all these blues are non-metals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget your entrance ticket for next lesson.